Innovation is in our DNA. It's a need to push boundaries. From the invention of the wheel to the moon landing, innovation is what drives this country. But it doesn't come easy. You have to earn it. You have to put in the work. Build a strong foundation. For the past 50 years, we have forged a foundation that has made Nivel unrivaled in the industry. Innovation is always ahead of the curve. 2017 brought unprecedented demand for the Yamaha Drive 2. Our foresight allowed first-to-market product development, giving Nivel dealers exclusive access to Drive 2 parts and accessories. Our product selection already offers daytime running headlights, seat kits, lift kits, and we won't stop there. Innovation is refusing to compromise. We know that our dealers and customers have specific needs. Our growing list of color-matching accessories provides you with the freedom of choice. Alpha and Havoc body kits allow customization from the ground up. From style to performance, we give you the tools to take customization to the next level. Innovation is about anticipating need. We provide solutions before there's a problem. Our triple-track canopy system revolutionized enclosures and simplified installation. Nivel's dealer online resource center will provide marketing materials and sales aids to increase your bottom line. We reset the standard, driving demand to our dealers. Innovation is maximizing potential. We know that you need to get the most out of your cart without wasting time. Nivel's power packages are all-inclusive performance upgrade kits tested to ensure compatibility. Whether you're cruising the neighborhood or taking care of business, we offer a turnkey system tailored to your needs. Innovation is the driving force inside all of us, but it doesn't happen overnight. With half a century under our belt, Nivel has combined innovation and tradition to revolutionize products for the people who rely on them. The future will always be unknown, but after 50 years, we know one thing. We will continue to lead the way.